My name is Luna Anika Cordeloya Villaflor, and I'm 9 years old. I've been doing Ohvale this is my second time, and I've been doing dirt biking, I think for 2 years. I'm not thinking of anything. All I'm thinking is that, oh wait, I need to brake. Yeah, I really did enjoy doing Ohvale. It's my cross-training for dirt biking. Yeah, I would encourage other kids to do this again. It's really fun.